we are meeting at a very, very tragic moment. All of us are aware of what has befallen the Tangkhul Naga community this afternoon. Today at 2:35 at Kasom, Kasom. All of us are aware of it. In that incident, two of our heroes, the Kukis, well, we have taken note of this. I will not be able to say for and on behalf of the Tangkhul Naga community what course of action we would adopt. But sure enough, I can only say that in due course, and when I say in due course, not too long, in a matter of 3-4 days' time, we will be convening the General Assembly of the Tangkhul Naga and adopt a decisive decision that we would adopt in response to what has befallen our people today. Here I have the privilege of standing beside the victims' families. Some of them are not here. One of the fathers is not present here because of ill health. He has just left. But he has left in tears, uncontrollably sopping away. You can see that kind of expression that we have been able to see on his face. I'm absolutely heartbroken. I'm absolutely heartbroken. Now, make note of this. Take note of this. Only yesterday, less than 24 hours ago, we have had the benefit of the Honorable Chief Minister, Vashum Singh, visiting Ukhrul headquarters. I was told that en route to Ukhrul, he visited those villages along the road. And hardly 24 hours after his visit, nothing had happened. This is unimaginable. Now, I would leave it to the state government of Manipur. And when I say to the state government of Manipur, government of India is not excluded. They are equally responsible for what is happening today in our land. And government of Manipur is accountable to the people of Ukhrul and Kamjong district. What? How? Such a thing has happened. We have been warning them. We have been telling them that adequate security measures should be taken. We have been telling them. We have met them several times. But this is the response we have got today. We'll follow it up now. We'll press them for concrete, solid action so that there is no debate on this. But as I've said, on our part, whatever action that we would adopt, we would take, we would be taking this decision in a matter of few days' time, when I would convene the General Assembly session next week. So, I can only express my sense of grief at the loss of two young men, hardly 50, less than 50, have a long way to go, and yet they have been cut short. And now the family, the young son, and the family, they have to suffer the loss for no fault of theirs, simply in the hands of this bloodthirsty Kukis. I'm so sorry to name them, but we have had enough of your sense of gratitude for what we have done to you, our forefathers have done to your people. Please, I can only say, conclude with this word, that mind your action. Mind your action. Mind your actions. We will not stay silent for far too long. Because to us, this is now a righteous war. You have imposed this war on us. We have no alternative but to take it squarely in our own stride. But you would not find us wanting in our response. This, I assure our friends here, our people here, that we would go forward and take necessary actions in the days and the time to come. Thank you.